Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to record vocals over a beat in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. We can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder and so on. So I'm going to go ahead and be starting by showing you how to get started with making your beat and then adding a vocal over it. Basically guys, to get started with adding a beat, you can either use the audio recorder option right here to record your beat directly from a source, or you can use any of the instruments right here to make it. So you can open up your guitar, you can go ahead and add any instrument. So let's say we open up the bass guitar, and now we want to get started recording our beat. What you want to do is click the big red circle right here at the top of the screen. By clicking the big red circle, this is going to go ahead and start the recording process, and now you can get started playing your instrument, as you can see right here. After finishing the recording, in the upper left corner we can click on edit mode. That's going to open up this mixing mode right here, where I can find all the tracks that I have. So as you can see here, I have my drums, I have added my keyboard and so on. So you can add as many instruments as you wish and to get your desired beat, or you maybe have already added a beat right here, so it's going to appear in your tracks. So what you want to do is add your tracks, and once you're finished with your beat and you want to add the vocals over it, what you want to do is go back and go to the audio recorder option, swipe to your audio recorder, and get started recording your vocals right here. So click the recording process as the same at the top of the screen, the big right circle. After that, open up edit menu and find your vocals right here. As you can see, here's my audio recorder, and now I can go ahead and put them anywhere I want over my beat and so on to mix them together. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.